Assalamu alaikum students. In this lecture we will learn about the verbs. So open your books at page 30. It is lesson 9. So we are going to read the text first. At times one verb is not enough to help the sentence work. We need additional verbs. Such helping verbs are called auxiliary verbs. So this lesson is about auxiliary verbs. In other words, we can say auxiliary verbs are a kind of helping verbs. They are used for assisting the verbs. In a sentence, actually there is a verb. But sometimes this verb doesn't convey us the proper meaning of the sentence. It needs the assistance of some other verbs which are called helping verbs. These are called auxiliary verbs, like is, was, were, am, or will, has, have, had, must, should, would, could, might. All these which are denoted with red, all are auxiliary verbs or helping verbs. Now come to the practice, or here we have to underline the auxiliary verbs in each sentence. Here four statements are given and we have to underline the auxiliary verbs. In first one, she has gone out. So has is auxiliary verb. They have arranged a party. Have is auxiliary verb. In third and fourth, we have had and should respectively as auxiliary verbs. We are doing practice A now. Here you have to fill in the blanks by using auxiliary verbs, right? First one is Kathy is feeling unwell today. Second one, I will learn the poem for tomorrow's recitation contest. 3. They are waiting at the bus stop. Fourth one, he has to go to Bangkok tomorrow. Now move to next page. Here we have practice B, and you have to choose the right option from the choices given in the following sentences. Here some choices are given and we have to opt the proper one. First one is wild daisies are growing, and the second option is grown in abundance in the meadows. And the correct option is wild daisies are growing in abundance in the meadows. Second one, these days I am learning to drive a motor car. I was learning is not proper because we're talking about the thing which is happening right now. So correct is am learning. Helping verb am is used with learning. Rover has worked in the circus for more than 10 years now. Number 4, Natalia was playing cricket when she hurt her knee. We are talking about something which happened in the past, so we will use the second option, that is was playing. And the fifth one, we are hoping to finish this work by 6 o'clock today. Come to practice C. We have to change them from present tense to past tense by changing the two auxiliary verbs. Here 5 statements are given and we have to make few changes. We have to change these sentences from present tense to past tense by inserting or by changing two auxiliary verbs. First one is like I am wondering what I am going to do when I grow up. Here I have tried to solve it on the book like this one. You can see in the first statement we will omit am and instead of am we will use was. So helping verb or auxiliary verb am will be omitted and we will use was. And the sentence will be like this: I was wondering what I was going to do when I grow up. Second statement, here are is actually auxiliary verb which shows that sentence is in present form. We will change it into past tense by converting into past. We were walking down to the market and then we were deciding which place to go for dinner. The third one again is will convert into was. Ali Baba was wondering what he was going to do with the money. He was taken from the hideout of the thieves. In the fourth one, again, helping verb is. So is will convert into was. Emily was wondering what she was going to do with the old doll. In the fifth one, they were wondering what they were going to experience on the cruise. Practice D. You have to change the past tense in the verbs into future tense by changing both the auxiliary verb and the main verb, right? In these sentences, we have to change auxiliary verb and the main verb. And we have to convert the past tense of the sentence into future form. So, first one is done already for you. I'm going to read it. He was planning a party after the meeting. So, it will be in the future form like he will plan a party after the meeting. Now we will do the rest of the three on the book like this. She was watching a cricket match on television. Here we have to make two changes, right? Was is an auxiliary verb. It will change into will, and watching is main verb. When we will convert the sentence from present to future, we will omit ing from the main verb. Like sentence will change. She will watch a cricket match on television. In the third sentence, again we will do the same changes, like verb will convert into will and decorating will convert into decorate, and we will omit ing from the sentence, and the formation of the sentence will be like this: they will decorate the hall for the party. In the fourth one, I will look after my ailing mother. Again, was will convert into will because we are converting the sentence from past to future, and looking will convert into look. We will omit ing, so sentence will be I will look after my ailing mother. So the lesson is about helping verb or auxiliary verbs. You have to learn the lesson. Thank you so much.